Okay, so here we have a question to work out the mode and the median of 11 numbers. I'm going to also extend this question, as well as finding the mode and the median. While we're at it, we can of course work out the range and the mean, and perhaps the upper and lower quartile and the interquartile range. Okay, so in order to find the median, we need to have the numbers written in order, and doing that will actually make it easier to work out the mode as well. So the smallest number there, looking at the list, is a 4. And then next we've got a 5, and we've got 4 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's write those in. Okay, and the next number after a 5 is there's a 6, and there's only one of them. There's a 7, there's only one of them. There's an 8, only one of them. A single 9, a single 10, and a single 11. Now, in the question it tells me there are 11 numbers. Let's just check that we have got 11 numbers. 3, 6, 9, there are 11 numbers. And just check the question isn't lying to me, and they're given us 11 questions. So there are the 11 numbers put in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. So first of all, it says the mode. Well, that means which number is there the most of. And clearly we've got lots of 5s and only one of everything else. So the mode equals 5. Now, the median is the middle number, and we've got an odd number of numbers here. So one way of doing this is say there are 11 numbers, add 1, divide by 2, gives me 6. So the median number is the 6th number in the list. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the 6th number in the list is itself 6. That number isn't the median there, because that just tells you it's the 6th number in the list. The median, the 6th number in the list, is a 6, which makes it not a very good question. Apologies. Okay, so we can also easily work out from this the range. And the range is the biggest number, take away the smallest number. Biggest number is 11, smallest number is 4, so the range is 7. Now, the mode and the median are types of averages, so they describe what a typical number in that list is. Okay? The range just tells me how spread out the numbers are. Okay? I call the range a measure of spreadioutiness, but that's not a technical term. Okay, we could also now work out the mean. So to work out the mean, I've got to add up all those numbers. 4, 5 is 9, 14, 19, 24, 30, 37, 45, 54, 64, 75, and divide by how many numbers there are in the list. That's 11. And that is going to be 6 and 9/11, which is 6.8 to 1 decimal place. So that's the mean. Let's underline some of these answers. Now, the final thing we're going to work out is another measure of spreadioutiness, and this we call the interquartile range. Now, to find the interquartile range, I need to work out the lower quartile, the upper quartile, and then from there I can work out the interquartile range. So the lower quartile is the middle of the bottom half of the data. So that was the median there. So now the lower quartile is the middle of the bottom half of the data. Now there are 5 numbers there, and the middle number there is 5. So the lower quartile is 5. The upper quartile, there are 5 numbers here, and the middle number is 9. So the upper quartile is 9. And so the interquartile range is the difference between those. 9 minus 5 equals 4. And that's that question completed.